Hi kids, it's teacher Carmen and I'm into the wild. In today's video, we're going to create our own fossil. Do you want to create your own fossil? Let's check the ingredients. Let's check our ingredients. We need a glass of water, 8 spoons of corn flour, salt, just a little, and different types of pasta and a shell for the shape of the dinosaurs. Let's do this. Let's begin with corn flour and let's add a little bit of salt. And then we're going to add a glass of water. And now we have to mix it. Now, using your hands, roll out some balls. Look. After a while, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 balls. Now, we're going to press. It's time for fun. Now, we're going to make our dinosaur fossils using pasta. For example, let's begin with this one. 1, 2. Looks like a skeleton. Like ribs. It's time to put our fossils inside the oven. We have to wait 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we have this final result. Look, our fossils. So this is the final result and you can decorate the way you like the most. I hope you like it and see you in the next video. Bye bye!